Okay, we put in a two-way clean out in the front yard. We're going to be going downstream. This is after cutting the roots out. We're going downstream from our access hole to the street. You can see there's our transition. So this is going to be the original clay piping. We've already seen it. It looks like it's cracked in basically every spot where there's roots coming in. So it's hard to see, but on the top, that big ring, that's the connection. That's an offset where the pipe's shifted. And then that thin line behind it, that's where the pipe's actually cracked. And that's where those roots are growing in. Or they're growing in just the joint itself. But same thing there. You see how it has that line right behind it. And it's hard to tell if that's a lip on the pipe or if it's cracked. Same thing on this one. Pretty much every joint that has those roots coming in, it has that ring on it. I mean, this one's obviously cracked. You see in the bottom left corner, that's honestly, that's what we're seeing on the other joints as well. It just looks very, almost like a fitting because it's like a perfect circle. But you can see here in the bottom left corner that one's definitely cracked. This is the transition, so we're going from 4-inch pipe right here. This had a ton of roots coming in as well. And this transition from 4-inch, we're going into 6-inch right here. So a larger pipe. But we're definitely going to recommend a liner because you can see all those spots are cracked. Pretty much every joint that had roots coming in. Okay, and then there's our common line. That's the one out in the middle of the street where everybody shares. We're going to pause the video and locate this to see how deep it is if we ever had to dig it up. Okay, so yeah, we located it. It's out by the sidewalk or underneath the sidewalk and about 7 feet deep. So yeah, obviously you don't want to have to dig that up if you had to. We're definitely going to recommend doing a sleeve on this line. Okay, now we're going to go towards the house. A little bit of roots there. We're going to clean that off right now. We haven't cleaned it going up towards the house yet. But I think it's just that one joint. Yeah, so we would basically just sleeve it to there. That's where the Y is.